You want to add a condenser fan, but you don't know how to wire? Watch this video and I will teach you how to wire a condenser fan. If you like the video, just subscribe and leave a comment. These are the 12-volt positive and ground of the battery. And our condenser fan and compressor. This is our original wire of our compressor. Our relay and 20 amp fuse. Connect the 20 amp fuse from positive to number 30 of the relay and connect the number 87 of the relay to condenser fan and the other black wire to the ground. Connect the number 86 to the wire of compressor acting like a switch for our condenser fan. Connect number 85 straight to ground. Try to start the engine and open the aircon. Look how our condenser fan works as the compressor engaged. As our aircon reach designated temperature, our compressor automatically closes as well as our condenser fan because of the number 86 of our relay is connected to the power supply of our compressor. When our AC is on, number 86 and 85 energized our relay to connect the number 30 and 87. The 12-volt positive of the battery flows from number 30 to number 87. That's why our condenser fan works while compressor engaging and close while compressor disengaged. Our condenser fan helps lessen the heat of the condenser while the compressor engaging. Follow this guide step by step. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless you all.